Hello everyone, thank you for tuning into my channel. I am coming to you today with a question that, I don't know, I just feel like this question that I got was something that I don't know if I've ever thought about before. Let me get it out, because I have a hard time doing that. Like, I'd be starting my videos and thinking about what I want to talk about, and I never actually get it out sometimes. So let me just get it out. So the question that I was asked was, how do you wear your hair to bed? To bed, honey. And I just wear it how I normally wear it. Like, I go with my bonnet on and everything, and I know that my situation is different, and I don't know if this person was asking because it's evident if you follow me on like my Jenell Stewart Instagram stories, and sometimes even in my captions. Like, I make it clear like I have a healthy sex life. Yes, I do. I have a very healthy sex life. And I comment on things like that a lot. And so I think for her, she was thinking like, is she doing anything sexy, you know, for her husband? And to be completely honest, I'm not. I'm not doing anything sexy. I'm not doing anything that is like seductive. Most of the time, if I don't have my bonnet on, I just have my hair however I have it. And I don't know necessarily if at my stage in being married, if it is a thing that my husband is really concerned about. If you're not familiar with my relationship, my husband and I have been together. This year will be 13 years. That's a long time. We've been married, this year will be 8 years, and I feel like those things that you might feel like insecure about when you are dating someone, like what is he gonna think about if I put my hair in twists and I'm rocking silly twists, but like we about to get it in. It might not be cute, I understand that. But in my situation, been together for 13 years, married for 8, we have 2 children. I've been with my husband for like almost my whole adult life at this point. For us, it's not really a thing. It really isn't. But I understand, like, if I was a young lady, I use the word young loosely because I'm clearly a young lady, y'all. I'm young, okay? But I mean, like, if I was a single lady, maybe that's what I should say. If I was a single woman who was out there on the dating scene and I am meeting a brother, we're kicking it, we've gone on a few dates, and we're at that stage where we actually want to get it in. What do I do with my hair? So to me, personally, I would just leave my hair as is. However I had it styled that day, I would leave it as is. And I would just get it in with my hair the way it is, and I would deal with it later. The way I have my hair today, let me back up so you guys can see. I'm rocking a top knot. If your hair is long enough, this is a very easy style you could do the next morning, because obviously if you didn't twist your hair at night, because you're gonna be too tired after getting it in, you're not gonna be able to twist your hair at night. So most likely you'll have to just put your hair up in a top knot or a puff. And I feel like top knots and puffs are not only like, I don't have anything to do with my hairstyles. I feel like they are styles and they look cute. Yes. Don't I look cute? Yes. That's what I would suggest to you. And then if you're in a relationship where you and your partner are like staying overnight with each other and you're thinking, should I wear a bonnet to bed versus not wearing a bonnet to bed? I feel like if you're living with someone or if you guys are staying overnight with each other, then there's a certain level of trust, there's a certain level of compassion and understanding as to how it is to be a woman with natural hair. And if that's the case, then it shouldn't be something that you should be trying to hide from him. You should not be afraid to include him in the process of, this is my nighttime routine. Because when y'all get together for real, and he puts a ring on it, this is what you're gonna be doing to your hair. So it doesn't make any sense for your experiences with your nighttime routine to be a secret. He should know, this is how I style my hair for bed. If I twist it, if I braid it, if I plait it, whatever. If you pineapple in, that's how you wear your hair to bed, and your significant other, your partner, should know that. And then there should be an explanation as to why you're wearing a bonnet. I feel like if you're dating a black man, it might not be much of a question, because women in his family, his mother, his sister, if he has aunts, cousins, they most likely all went to bed with headscarves on. And this isn't something that's exclusive to women with natural hair. All women go to bed with their hair protected because it's a cultural thing. Like, this is culturally what women do. But if it's just about like, I'm trying to get it in, I want to be cute while I get it in, but at the same time, I don't want to have to do so much in the morning because I didn't set my hair for bed, then I would just say, for you, if that's you, you need to decide on how can you set your hair, look cute, but then still not look a hot mess in the morning. And that's why I'm saying like the top knot or a puff is a great option, because this is cute, okay? This is cute, all right? So you could totally just go rock your twist out, your braid out, get it in, and after you get it in, then the next morning, you just throw it up in one of these and call it a day. And this is cute. So this is what I'm saying. I want to know what you guys think. First of all, is your nighttime hair routine an issue for your significant other, your partner? What do you do to your hair at night when you're getting it in so you don't have too much to deal with the next morning? And, you know, does your partner even care? Do they even care what it looks like? Because that's the honest to God truth. Like, if they don't care and you're stressing yourself out about it, then this conversation isn't even worth having. But yeah, let me know. Leave those comments below. Please, I want to know. I cannot wait to read them, first of all, and see what y'all say. Please give this video a thumbs up if you loved it, if you liked it. If you have not already, please, please, please subscribe to my channel. And as always, I love you for watching. Bye.